Hello students, I hope you all are doing good and safe at home. Today we are going to discuss about the very first chapter of your course book, that is living and non-living thing. As you all know, the living thing and the non-living thing can be categorized as natural things and man-made things. First of all, we will discuss about natural things. Things like water, plants, animals, the sun, the moon, the mountains, and the rivers are called natural things. These things are made by nature, thus these are called natural things. Second is man-made things. Things like chair, table, car, bus, buildings are made by man. They are called man-made things. These all things are made by man. It means like us people. Surroundings. In our surrounding, whatever we see, we can categorize them in two things, that is living things and non-living things. Living things. Things which have life in them are called living things. They can move, breathe, grow, feel, and reproduce. These all things are called living things. For example, humans, plants, animals, etc. are called living things. In animals, it is also included about the water animals, wild animals, fish, or whatever type of animal it can be. Second is non-living things. Things which do not have life in them are termed as non-living things. For example, chair, table, bus, air, water, clothes, etc. These things don't have life in them. They can neither move nor breathe. Let's move on. Now we will discuss how living things and non-living things can be differentiated. First of all, living things can move. Living things are able to move on their own. Humans and animals use their legs. Birds use their wings to fly, and fish swim using their fins. They are as a human, we walk through our legs. We go wherever we want to go, and animals also can go wherever they want to go. But non-living things can't do this. Plants remain fixed to the soil. However, different parts of plants like flowers and leaves shows movement. Some plants, not all the plants, just some plants like sunflower, or you can say touch me not plant, they can show movement through their flowers or leaves. You have seen sunflower, it moves towards the direction of the sun. You will see that as the sun moves towards from east to west, the sunflower also start moving from east to west. A touch me not plant fold its leaves when it's touched. A touch me not plants, when we try to touch it, the leaves folds up and gathers itself. Things like car, bus, chair cannot move on their own because they are non-living things. As I have earlier told you all, that non-living things cannot move. Car, bus, these are vehicles, but we need a driver to move this. Chair cannot move on its own. We have to manually move from one place to another. Living things grow. All living things grow. For example, a little puppy grows into a dog. A kitten grows into a cat. A baby grows into an adult. A seed grows into a small plant, which further grows into a big tree. Not all the seed grows into a big tree, but some seeds grow into a big tree while others stays at the plant position. All the non-living things cannot grow, like toys, pencil, table, car, chair, etc. I hope you all have some toys at your home, but have you ever seen that toys are growing as you are growing at your own speed every birthday? Have you seen your doll or your car getting bigger day by day? No, I hope so. You all haven't. Living things need food. All living things need food to live, to grow, to get energy, and to stay healthy. Humans and animals cannot make their own food. Green plants make their own food in the presence of sunlight and using water and carbon dioxide gas. This process is called photosynthesis. We human are dependent upon animals and plants for our food, but plant can grow their own food with the help of sun, water, and carbon dioxide gas, with green particles present in their leaves, which is called chlorophyll. By this they can make their own food, and we human are dependent upon animals and plants for our food, while animals also are dependent to other animals and plants for their food. You have seen getting humans food from animals like milk, eggs, meats, and from plants they eat wheat, rice, gram. Whatever we eat is produced by animals or plants. And animals eat other animals or plants. Animals like goat eat grass, leaves, while animals like tiger, lion, they eat other animals. As example, deer or some other animals. Some water animals also eat other water animals. For example, uh, frog. Frog eats insects like bees or fish. Let's move on. Living things breathe. All living things need oxygen, which is present in air, to carry out various body function like movement and digestion. This is done by breathing in air. The body takes in oxygen present in the air and gives out carbon dioxide. Uh, uh, we all need oxygen to breathe. Without oxygen, we cannot stay alive. Uh, all the body functions that we do, like wherever we move or we eat whatever, it digests with the help of oxygen, which can be taken with the help of air. Land animals and human breathe through lungs, fish breathe through gills, insects breathe through air holes. All the land animals and humans have lungs present in their ribs, which help us to breathe, while fish breathe through gills and insects breathe through air holes. They don't have lungs. Plants also breathe through tiny pores called stomata. It is present in the surface of leaves. In their leaves there are small tiny pores which is present. This is called stomata, and they breathe through this. Non-living things do not breathe. They don't do any function. They don't move, they don't eat. That's why they don't need air to breathe. Living things feel. As you have read earlier in previous classes, that nose, eyes, ears, tongue, and skin are sense organs. They help us to feel things around us. Nose helps us to smell things. Eyes help us to see various things. Ears help us to hear around in hear the sound of anything around us. Tongue help us to taste. It is very important what we are eating. Is it sweet, sour, tasty or not tasty? Just and skin. We have skin which we can get uh, hot things or cold things we touch. We get know this that is a hot thing and that is a cold thing with the help of skin. They help us to feel things around us. Animals also cry in pain when they get hurt. Not only human cry, animals also cry in pain. They get hurt also. They leave the leaves of the leaves of touch me not folds up when touched. And, plants also know how it feels. That's why the leaves of touch me not flowers folds up when we touch. It is open, and when we touch it folds up. No living things do Non-living things do not feel anything when thrown or broken. Non-living things cannot feel anything if you throw it anywhere or when they get broken. Living things reproduce. Reproduce means to produce young living things of the same kind. If a human being produce, it will produce human beings. While if a cat reproduce, it will reproduce cat. Have you ever seen a human giving birth to an animal like child? No, I hope you haven't seen that. Humans and animals like dog, cat, cow, lion, etc. give birth to their babies, while animals like birds, fishes, snakes, insects, etc. lay eggs. They give eggs, okay, which they further hatch, and from the egg they get their babies. Most plants produce new plants from seeds, for example wheat, pea, gram, etc. Some plants produce new plants from their leaves or stem. Mm, for example, you can say rose. We cut the stem and then repeat other place and then it grows bigger. Non-living things do not reproduce, while non-living things don't reproduce. As you must have known by now that non-living things can also be said that man-made things. Excretion. All living things excrete. The removal of waste materials from the body is called excretion. We human beings excrete through various types. We can sweat. We excrete as urine or anything, but non-living things cannot excrete. They don't work. They don't do any movement. That is why there's no need them to excrete. Now here are some differences between living and non-living things. That's it for today's class. Thank you.